Greetings guys, this would be my new division of my YouTube channel where I'll be doing some unboxing for toys, especially model cars or scale cars. Today we're going to do the unboxing for Hot Wheels 3. So I used to have a small collection of cars when I was small, but later I was forced to give them to my cousins by my parents. So I thought of again beginning that hobby. At first I used to play with them. Now I would like to do them as a hobby. I have seen many people collecting cars on a particular sizes. So I thought I'll start with 1:64 size, and that too with Hot Wheels. So in today's video we'll be doing unboxing for Hot Wheels 3. So this would be my first purchase of any vehicle, and as you can see it's 449 rupees. Bought from Amazon. The package came bit dirty, bit damaged. So let's see what all cars do we have inside. Packed it, made sure that nobody gets the content before. So in the first we have radical racer. So this is how it looks close up. Red wheels. So since I'm new to this collection part, I'm not sure how these cars are categorized or how they add up to the collection. So as of now I'm just going with the flow. So that would be the first car, and this is McLaren for sure. Let's be so let me just focus a bit. There it is. It's McLaren P1, and it is way simpler, but there are details like the exhaust tips have been painted, though they are not any of 3D or shape or cutout, but they have made sure the exhaust tip is there, and a pinstripe of tail light, rear diffusers, spoilers, and there you have the complete interior view, the driver's seat and everything, headlights, front intake. The details, I'm very convinced with Hot Wheels, as long as they have the current license and everything to the modeling. And we have one classic car. Let's see what this is. So this is 55 Chevy. So this is going to be a journey for me as well. I always wanted to be an automobile engineer and design cars, but I'm here making videos, so I'm not sure how successful I'm going to be, how much I can spend on these things. These things are not very expensive, but again, me getting toy cars at this age would be something that is questionable. So as of now we have got one classic, one latest, and one out of the comics. So that would be it for this particular video. I'll be doing more and more of these. I'm not going to stop here. I would like to collect all the Japanese cars, JDMs, and see how much I can go along with these. So let's have a closer look at each vehicles one last time before I wind up this video. The part I like about Hot Wheels is the attention to the details that they give, even though it is a small car. As you can see, all those alloy wheels, rims, and even those blind hidden spots are not missed by them. And especially this one. I can't actually compare this with any of the existing cars, as this is something out of someone's mind. They sketched it, Hot Wheels made them. So I'll be having a few more cars, few more brands. I'm not going to stop with Hot Wheels. I'll be like testing out every vehicles that is there on every size. So I also have 1:43 and 1:64. I would like to make my collection big and share with the world and see how it goes. And any suggestion from your end, if you guys would like to make me get a particular set of vehicles, or you can always leave a comment below, suggest me, or if there is something I'm doing wrong or any tips for me, please leave them in the comment. I would be very happy to go through them and would be happy to reply you guys as well. Until then, see you guys next time.